Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram story music feature not available. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you're on Instagram and you're trying to create a story, a photo or a video and you're trying to add music but the feature isn't available, it's not showing up, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So let's open up Instagram here and I'm gonna tap on your story at the top left. Now I can either upload a photo or I'm just going to take a quick video and I wanted to add music to it. I can tap the little smiley face at the top right here, and then you can see in the middle of the screen is a sticker called music. Now if you don't see it, you can always hit the search and search for music and tap on it, and then it's as easy as just tapping on a song. And you've added that music. You can switch over and format it however you want all of that stuff. But say for instance, if that music sticker is not there, let's just go back here. If you're not seeing a music sticker on here, what I recommend doing is the next step is taking a screenshot. So let's take a screenshot right here, and then what we are going to do is get out of here, go back to just the normal Instagram here, and you're gonna go to your profile, tap on the three bar on the upper right hand corner, go to settings and privacy, scroll down until you see help on the bottom part, tap report a problem, and it said did something go wrong, you want to report problem, and I'm going to hit report a problem, and then I'm going to hit include and continue, and then I can tap on upload right here, and I'm going to upload that screenshot and hit done. Now basically what I've done is uploaded that screenshot indicating that I don't have that music feature, and I'm just going to say on here that even though I updated my app, I still don't have music to add to my story, please help. So basically what you're gonna do is send this over to Instagram. They're gonna look into it because everybody should be able to add music to their story. So if you're running into this problem, then most likely it's a bug or a glitch. Of course, on here you need to make sure that you've updated up to the latest version just to make sure that there are no bugs or glitches that could be causing you to not get the music on your story. But after you go through this whole process, just hit send at the top right and they should get back to you within a few days and help you fix that problem and get you that music feature. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.